Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own SUV. First, you're going to add two wheels right here. Make sure they're one block apart from each other. Then you're going to add another two wheels but 3 blocks away from the other set. Then you're going to add stone slabs. Okay, so when you're done with that, you're going to build an L shape over here. Put all the blue concrete. Then you're going to add the doors over here. Add more blue concrete, more glass. Add doors onto the other side. And then make sure the doors are facing this direction. Then you're going to add 4 string right in the center of here. Then you add a door at the back. Then we're going to go add the carpet. And when you're done putting all the carpet like that, you're going to crouch to put all the carpet on the doors. Then we're going to add 4 stone buttons. And we're going to go to the next set of items. You're going to add 2 redstone dust pointing at the door. Then you're going to go over here, do 2 clicks to make the railings go that way. Then you're going to make glowstone dust and it's going to point away from the rails. And there we go. You're done building your own SUV. Like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.